Hi, today we're going to make these coconut bars. You will just need 3 ingredients. Yes, only 3. So we're going to get 1 cup of coconut and we're going to add condensed milk to it. We add it a little bit at a time. I use more or less half a cup. You go stirring it and it has to completely be like this, like it has to be damp but not that damp, so it like all sticks together. And we put it in any tray, a pan, whatever you want, any container, and we have to like press it down so it flattens, and it has to be like this. And we put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Then we're gonna melt some chocolate, and once it's melted, we're gonna get the coconut out of the refrigerator. We're gonna cut it in squares and in bars, in rectangles, any shape that you want. You can use cookie cutters, whatever you want. And we're gonna dip it in the coconut, and we're gonna turn it around, and then we have to put it on a tray or any type of surface that won't stick to the chocolate. And we just let it cool off and then just take it off. I put them on a plastic lid, and then I wanted some filled, so I put Nutella and these other creams that I get here in Argentina. This is milk jam. I just put like a spoonful of it, and then I just put chocolate on top of it. And then with the chocolate that was left over, and I used an ice tray, and I made some chocolate hearts. Well, here are the chocolate bars. Here's the ones that have Nutella, and the other ones are the ones that have milk jam. So I hope you guys will try these. These are so easy to make, and they're absolutely delicious. So please follow my channel, activate the bell, and please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.